Yay, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, as I was saying, lots of different unnecessary modules. We're going to simplify this, keep it simple. Let's use the old structure. So main V here. This is the index. I guess I can just, yeah. What can we reuse? The order, the chat is hidden. Okay, 1 second. Chat. Right, so chat used to be on top. Okay, I'll just... Right, there we go. There we go. Yeah, probably not gonna need this. So this is gonna be a VWeb global. This. Yep, great. So I need to copy the index templates. So it's an add templates, pages, index. Why am I using Vim when it's local? And yeah, build the main V. Right. Text, HTML. So for now, let's just, yeah, so new packages, can just remove all this. The new packages. So it's mocked. And we can just reuse this for now. XV. And this should work right away. This is a const, so yeah, cool thing about VWeb, you have a const here, and then you can just use it right here. Most downloaded new packages, right, new packages, there we go. Expression evaluated but not used. Yeah, this is an interesting error. I should just complain about an unknown type, but it's, yeah, evaluated but not used. So something that have to be fixed. So just can do import entity. Yeah. What? Okay, so it's doing some template thing. Include, right, so HTML templates are very nice for this, so let's keep them. Components, yeah. Let's keep the structure. What would be dot/components? Right, user. Let's copy the old user definition. It's a bit too simple. I think I'm gonna use this one. So ID, username, name. Yeah. So just I'm gonna make the terminal a bit bigger. The font. Use db.pg here. Unknown type user. Mods repo not needed. Okay, some index errors. View, where's the view thing? Total count. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. just a const. Oh, it's right here. So, total count. Entity package, view total count. Packages view, well, right, so it's this one, and I can just move it over here for now. Categories. So yeah, categories. Do we want to have categories? I think we do. We definitely do. Let's see. Credit style. Rust doesn't have categories, I think. Browse all. Yeah, no categories here. Like, because what would you use? Like game development, networking, databases. Could be useful. What do you think? Should VPM have categories? It could be useful, but it can also complicate the UI, I think. Yes, it should. Okay. What are any, like, do we have like Swift package manager, or is that, no. Right, we have the Go modules thing. What's it called these days? It's annoying to find a package without knowing the name of it. Bottom right, you mean Rust? Bottom right. Where is it? Nope. I don't remember. Does Go have a centralized module thing these days? Search. Very basic. Okay, yeah, let's keep them. Okay. Popular categories in Rust page. Indeed, you're right. Thank you. It's a bit, yeah. It looks like because you have packages here, and here you have keywords and categories, right? So yeah, this is nice. Command line utilities, development tools. Okay, let's keep those. It's not visualized. Yeah, not very visible, but we're gonna have it a bit more visible. Yeah, so for now I'm just gonna do categories, category. Or we can do some mocking as well, like let's say const basic categories and it doesn't even have a name, so let's add a name. Number of modules, unless we're gonna, I don't know, doesn't matter. So category, name, so command line tools, I don't know, networking, this red stuff is not very visible. Game development. Do we need to capitalize this? Probably. No. Web programming. New packages. New packages. Now, do we want new packages? Most downloaded, definitely. Yeah, new crates. Okay, better visibility. The slug. Yeah. Full package. So we have a package and I have a full package. Yeah, so let's copy that. Then we can just do same with most downloaded. By the way, I want to do a quick poll. What is it? Straw poll about music. Do you want music? Do you want no music? Something like light, quiet. I think you should be able to vote without making an account. Yeah. So let's say yes. Democracy in action. Okay, just a couple of errors left. Most downloaded, same. This is no longer needed. Oof, that was simple. Let's see. Did become JSON? Yeah, no longer use. Yeah, that's the old main file. Just parses the toml. So yeah, let's copy that config file. Oops. And this. Wow. Okay, can do. This is fine. For conf. Yeah, Toml is nice, but it is white space sensitive, so it's not perfect. But it's okay if you keep it simple. Seven to one. What does it look like? Postgres host. Right, config.pg. Well, that's okay, a bit verbose, but okay. Config.pg dot host.pg dot db conf.pg dot user. Just gonna skip this for now. JSON imported but never used. Okay, so it's just complaining about warnings now. Okay. Nice. Now just need to fix the CSS. It's like a built-in time tracking thing, like, so you can see how much time you're spending on the features you're working on. CSS, source static. Mystery. Okay, so first time seeing this. So he's using Tailwind. And it's just doing inline CSS. The headers are missing somehow. That's weird. Like, am I missing how this is supposed to have a header and footer, but so let's see, HTML, is it, why is it? Templates layout. Oh, so some VBA feature I'm forgetting about. It lacks the layout that provides the original has. Ah, you're right. Thank you. Thank you. So the original just does this, and then it returns. Whoa. So content, okay, I see. Content is index.html. Yeah. Like, I would make it simpler and more traditional. Just your typical templates and footer, header and footer, and yeah, that should be enough. Would you agree, Spy? Does that sound simpler? Invert it. I'll just a simple header and footer. Yeah, each page will, well, yeah, that's, no, each page is going to have this include header and include footer, and yeah, they're all going to be the same, but like in the previous code, he just kept doing this for all endpoints, just layout is this, like this is, I don't think this is the VWeb way. Skip the warnings. It will be a big refactoring. No, I don't think so. What's the ports? 9.1. So it's not included somehow. By the way, I think I can already try the new instant reload thing. Let's see. So I have this beautiful command here, and then just so let's see, index.html. I have this 1, 2, 3 we want to remove. Nope. So the same issue with the templates is present. Even though the template structure is simple now, it doesn't complain about. No. Right, it needs to have the HTML thing, and it's missing right now, so I had to fix that first. Add template after watch. Okay. But I think you mentioned I need to have the closing HTML tag. So why is it? Because oh, I did it in the wrong file. I see. And that's why. Whoa, that's a crash. Nice. Doesn't happen often, but yeah, deleting the first line. Really? No. Quit header. So live reload. Reading assets from V templates. Assets. What? Assets? Assets. This one. I'm gonna. Now this is what I don't like. It says the error is in index.html, whereas it's actually here in the header. So that needs to be fixed. To body, what's that? Added to the end of body when HTML is rendered through layout. Yeah, no need of that. Yeah, actually I need to have this here. And then this goes to the footer. Components, footer. Yeah, I don't need that. Where's the poll? Okay, so music suggestions are welcome for now. Something that won't, well, probably everything is gonna get muted on Twitch and YouTube. I think there's a way to set up a separate audio stream on Twitch so that the VODs are not muted. But yeah, if you have like suggestions for some free music or something, just post it in chat. 4 very useful and clear errors. CTX. This guy. Okay. Let's test the live reload. I didn't add the thing you told me to add. So it's R just runs the build script. Stands for run. I like short aliases. Use yeah, double dash add. We actually should, like here use double dash keep. Like in V, the convention is to use a single dash, the flags. And template. Like this. I've seen engines do it the other way around, where each page includes a base template and new content is yielded inside the base template. Well, that's yeah. So that's how it was originally, right? Yeah, I think both options are fine. So I'm just used to this one, and I don't want to pollute the V code with this. Besides, it's yeah, I'm not a fan of string counts. You can make typos there. Template star HTML. Templates, not templates. Maybe this will work. Nice. So thank you. This is great. Just a simple templates works. So yeah, just to demonstrate what's happening here. Like, unfortunately, this thing doesn't support the window mode. Well, I can just open this in a terminal. So we have our template HTML file here. macOS still does not support this quick layout thing. Embarrassing. Anyway, we have the website here, so we have this 1, 2, 3, 4. We modify it, we click save, and it's updated immediately. This is really, really cool. This is a compiled language, but you get this instant reload thing for web development. This is amazing. Yeah, it's literally a second. And yeah, it's even gonna get a bit faster once I merge my module caching thing. So this is amazing. Very exciting. Thank you, Spy, for making this work. Great job as always. So yeah. So this compiles now. And the CSS. It's in the window menu. What's the... Wow, really? I've been using macOS for 12 years. I didn't know about this. Why is it full screen? No. So it does this full screen thing. That's not nice. I hate. Yeah, it's slow. There's the unnecessary animation. That's why it doesn't use full screen mode. It just it's just a simple window, and I use a key shortcut CMD1 to switch to it, and CMD2 for terminal. So yeah, it's instant, no animations. Okay. Come on. There we go. So HTML is here now. CSS is missing. But we are gonna, because we don't want to use this Tailwind CSS thing. It's very heavy. So we're just gonna do this later. Someone else who's good at this CSS stuff, hopefully, because I'm not a design guy. But I don't like working on this like this. So maybe we can just enable it temporarily somehow. So what am I missing? Layer base, layer components. Right, so this is the component, the asset that does the styles thing. So you can just enable that for now. Ah, so many templates, sub-templates, meta. Right, meta. Now this I can just, yeah, let's copy this. So body, I don't have a, yeah, head. And then just include assets styles. So, wow, just going crazy. Templates. Include asset styles. So yeah, that should be good now. Too much stuff open. Nice, there we go, great. So at least it's usable now. So yeah, well, let's do the ORM stuff. Migrate, well, not, yeah, migrate the, because in the old implementation of this rewrite, it has a like an SQL module which will just build SQL queries, because it was written before ORM, before V ORM. So yeah, let's just use that. It's much nicer. So we create the DB here, and what would be the nicest way to handle this? Because I think in Gitly, yeah, the DB is in the app as well, and then just you have these helper modules define your abstract, and that's where you have access to the DB. Because I remind that V doesn't have globals, at least not by default, so we want to avoid using those. And I can't just have a global Postgres DB handle. I have to define it in here in app. Well, this V web global thing means that it is accessible across all the various requests. So it's the same handle in all the requests, and this struct, it gets recreated for each new request. So yeah, let's do the same thing. User.v. It would be nice to get the backup from the old VPM, but I don't have it on this machine right now, so we're just gonna have to. Yeah, we'll just populate it with some test data. So module, do we have a module or package thing? No module. So let's copy the module file. Oh, okay, interesting. So the very old version of VPM actually used V ORM, so I'm not sure why it wasn't used in the rewrite. Maybe this was added like later. So yeah, well, it uses it here, but not here. So let's just use it everywhere. I cannot use the word module. Let's just use mod. Module. No, module should be fine, yeah. So yeah, we have find all mods, select from mod, order by, okay. So here we're gonna do rows, select from mod, where what? Where name equals name. So V ORM is just this, it's a built-in SQL syntax support right inside V. So we don't need to use any external libraries, and we can just write SQL queries here using the V syntax. And in the near future, these are gonna return results, by the way, so we'll have to update those, but it won't take, like, yeah, we're also gonna do OR, but yeah, for now it doesn't, so that it doesn't handle errors, which is not good. Yeah, okay, this is gonna be, okay, row mod. Yeah, this is how you used to have to do databases, but it's much simpler now. So it's just return rows 0, and then all this can go. Or panic. Or panic? Why? Like, where? I mean here, yes, or panic, yeah, but it doesn't work right now. So if we yeah, so this compiles, but if I do it like this, it's not going to compile. Actually, no, that's been done already. That's very nice. Okay, forget what I said. That's great. This has been recently added. Beautiful. So this mostly handles stuff like the DB is not available, and then you might, yeah, a panic is fine, I guess, for now, because this isn't supposed to happen often. Yeah, Walking Dev has been working on it. Yeah, it's been doing great work on this stuff. So the downloads thing, this is something that's very easy to abuse. Because if you display the number of downloads, yeah, do they do this? Then people can just do the general thing. People can just write simple scripts, and so I don't think I want to display this number, but still it would be nice to have some kind of statistics. So yeah, this is good the way it is. Insert module. Yeah, VCS. Yeah, so it's gonna support the other VCS as well. Some simple validation. It's mod into mod. And we do have the description. And this doesn't have it. So yeah, there's no need in having these, like, yeah, because I'd have to do description as well, and just too many params. So let's just do a mod, and yeah, simpler. Band names, okay. Band names. Okay. Let's whatever that is. Good. And we can do the simple form, the one that's been missing in the new implementation that we've discovered it yesterday. So where do you want to have this? Let's do the TCC. Submit /new. Yeah. It should have an author or user field so that the user could later update it. No, yes, of course, we're gonna have that. The user will be able to update it. Updating the permission fields can be done only by people. Yeah, exactly. That's the whole point of this big project, to add basic features like this. Yeah. No. Okay, so it doesn't have a. Well, that's surprising. I didn't even realize it didn't have the user ID field. Now that's we can still restore, because in the current website we have this name.module, so we can still fix this, but I didn't realize I didn't save this. Good point. User ID. So yeah, /new. Where was that? Insert. Yeah, post create module. So yeah, let's do this. And let's migrate this to ORM. So it would be, okay, it's not valid. Is it, whoa. There has to be some kind of a limit so that it doesn't spam like this. App.error, yeah, that's the one. That's the new method we should use. So return app.error instead of a print. A random token per module. Remove the keep. Okay. No, this is good. return wrong URL format. Okay. App insert module. Yeah, so this is the one that we modified. Now I have to create a mod object, so much cleaner. Name. Yeah, so this is the name.module, username.module name. URL in VCS. And the description would be right. So these are the post params. So we just can add a new one here, and it's gonna fetch it from the HTTP form description string. Template news not found. Okay, yeah. Trying to keep it running, assuming that it already compiles. In this case, no compilation errors. Yeah, good stuff. That would be, yeah, that would be great. Do you have a limit? Yeah, and again, I have to do include header HTML. HTML. So that should compile. Oh, there's search entry. Search entry. Yeah, we don't need this for now because I asked the author and he said that this is for your. It's gonna look through your GitHub repos, and if it finds the ones that are in V, then it's just gonna suggest them. This is really nice, but it hasn't been implemented yet, and yeah, it's not going to work right now. It'll require some GitHub API magic. For now, I just want a simple form. And we're going to copy paste that from the old site. Yeah, I just need the form. Yeah, this is a nice feature. If you're not logged in, then you're gonna get the login link. So yeah, let's use this. Add module, submit module. We don't need this. I wish VFMT could handle the HTML templates. Blah, blah, blah. Create module, that's correct. Module name, URL, and finally we're gonna have, oh, the description is already there. Nice. So it just wasn't displayed before. That's nice. Redefinition, and it was already there. I'm blind. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this for now. is valid mod name. We can have some kind of a util thing for this. It's valid mod name. I think I'm gonna need to just clone it. Is valid mod name. Okay. Use this value. Oh, what? So I cannot return a VWeb error. I didn't know this. This is not nice. Well, okay, that makes sense. So I have to do an error and then return some kind of redirect. Weird. Because it's a VWeb result, so why is it complaining? No, it's not. The documentation is wrong. The documentation is wrong. It's not a VWeb result. I have to update that. Ah, okay. The documentation is fine. It's just app.error and then it doesn't return anything. So this has to be updated to make it clear what has to be done. I really think this should be returnable, but okay, for now we can just do and just do the old redirects. Yeah, it's gonna display the error in this form anyway, so that's fine. It's just a bit verbose. Max name len. There's gonna be const. What is it? It's like 35. Okay. Submit module. Nice. It's missing the header thing. Why? Is it because it's called VPM, V Package Manager? Is it a package or a module? I'm confused. It should be called a module, yeah. But it's called VPM. Because a package in theory is a collection of modules, but yeah, I should keep using the term modules. A module is a single folder while a package contains several. Yeah, so do you think like okay. Yeah, it's called VPM, so let's use, okay. Then I should also rename the mod thing to back to package. For some reason there is a no header. Interesting. Some vwatch bug. I'll just save this for later. VLS and CTV are entire projects. It's, yeah. Okay. So why is it, or am I? No, okay, it's there. It's just, yeah, that's the entire design. Okay. Is it how it's, I need to restart this thing. So I click submit. Yeah, this thing has to be in the header, definitely. Search VPM. But it's missing here as well. I didn't, yeah. VPM logo. Components header, that's the guy. Yep, this is it. This is what we have to copy. Wait, where is it? Like, okay, yeah, here. So header body div manage screen. Yep, there it is. Yeah, or I can just reuse the nice component, because here it makes sense. Yeah, include components, include components header. Claims. What is claims? JWT claims. Yeah, so it's just whether it's logged in or not. Okay, we don't have this. So I just have to copy it from the new thing, yep. If not logged in, yeah, it's very simple. So we replace this not very nice nil check with a if not logged in. And then we have the login with GitHub button. Else we draw the icon. Yep. And here it's going to be user, current user, avatar URL. Current user name. Logged in. Right, it's in the... Yep. So I'll just have to... I don't like copy pasting this. Yeah, and this is not very nice to do it. Nice way to do it, so let's have a method. Is logged in. How do you search for a thing in the side panel? Which side panel? Like this one? Or what? Just your just general find thing like in Vim. It's a text file. Like so the way it works, you can have any file here. And you can edit it, but when you run something, it turns into like an output thing. So yeah, and this is just that there's this out file that's generated, and it just opens it. And you can still edit it. So simple stuff. Okay, and so logged in. If not, app is logged in. This should work, right? CTX, we have, right, so again, current user. Do we have the username field? Yeah, we do. CTX. app.currentUser. Oops. Okay. Here I can do. App. Now, it's really annoying that I cannot see where the error happens exactly. I'll have to fix this in VWeb. Index HTML is really not. It's lying. Yeah, there it is. Nice, okay. Please move the chat covers that sidebar. Okay. Yeah, good point, because we have all the logs here, and then it's just, yeah. So let's move this. There we go. We got the thing. The icons are missing. It's an easy fix. And now if we go to submit a module / package, we get the nice login button, the search, and everything. Yeah, beautiful. So yeah, submit a module. Let's rename it as well. Submit a package. Oops. Is the TCC? Yeah, it's still broken. Yeah, some weird. It's not happy about some ORM primitive. That is because of skip unused. Okay, let's try to remove that. Right, because that started happening once I started using ORM. I thought it was required actually. But you did it just for better performance, I see. Nice, thank you. Submit a package, and we can remove this crap. And no, without skip unused, it doesn't work. I wonder if that's related. Okay. So let's try to, yeah, let's try the form we created, but we have to be logged in for this, and we can just set up a test user for development, because I'm not gonna do the GitHub authentication locally. That'll be terrible. That would be terrible. User, I guess, is there a way to see if we're running on localhost? Okay, let's just do a command line flag. Is dev equals os args contains dev. And yeah. If is dev app.current-user name test user username test user is admin true. Yeah, getenv is local. The toml file. Is dev equals true. Yeah, I think that's a bit cleaner. if conf, but then I have to update config v. Is dev bool, if conf is dev, test user is admin. Okay, good enough. Right, I have to update it. Is dev true? Right. App is recreated in each request, so I have to use the vweb global thing. Dump the config. Good idea. Good idea. Maybe because do I have to? Right. It's not automatic. I thought TOML was made generic. Wasn't it? Like it should all be. Huh. Because like the way what is it? CSV? Yeah, CSV is generic. CSV reader. Let's decode. Yeah, there we go. CSV is generic, decode is generic, but not TOML apparently. Yeah, okay, good to know. But that should be, simple to do. It's not a lot more complicated than CSV. Okay, so let's just do it manually for now. Where was I? This is, by the way, fast switching between different projects. V VPM, very useful. Yeah, just I guess here is admin like this. Is admin default to false, or is it, yeah, string and then bool. Wait, what? Is admin, is dev, sorry, is dev. We had problems processing structs. I see, but they're now mostly solved. Great. Is dev. There we go, test user, nice avatar, and now we can submit a module. Very beautiful form. Well, at least it works. And now if I okay. Wow. That's smart, like it's doing a regex and yeah, that's nice. Client-side verification. there's no submit button. Although it's right here, so I'm not like, yeah, okay. Relation mod doesn't exist. Right. Have to set up the Postgres tables. So there'll be PSQL database VPM, user VPM, file, nice, and just a single table, but it has to be altered table. What's the rename to mod? What is it? Nice. Guess. Yep. And then it redirects to the main page, and yeah, if we search for it, I'm not sure I have to use quotes in Postgres, but yeah, there we go. This has to use the username, not the name, when creating. What was it? Username. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna make it display, and then yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. Browse packages. Now let's just search, because we do want to see the list of our modules, right here, I think, so that we can modify them, delete them. Yeah, that would be nice. That was inserted through the web interface. Yes, this beautiful form that has an unclickable button, but it's still clickable. Yeah, so that works. We just have to pretty it up. Well, yeah, that's the easy stuff. So yeah, I'm thinking just having them listed. So like reuse this component. Yeah, and just list them here. Your modules. So popular categories. Let's just copy paste this and have your modules or your packages. I'm not going to get used to this. For mod for now, and app current user. No. Your okay, packages for pkg for p in your packages. So slug is just no, I'm looking at categories, so okay. I need to copy the new packages thing. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. Much better. Your packages. Yeah. Yep. For package and new packages include components. Yeah, and this is the beauty of components. Like it uses, this is the flexibility of VWeb. We have this package card component, and it uses the variable pkg, and yeah, it's just there. It's here in the for loop. That's where it's defined. We can just reuse it. This is beautiful. Unbalanced div. Yep, you're right. So just kill it here and align it. What about the still not working. Okay, so that works. Oh, this is the yeah, the test module. We want to display the actual thing, and here I have to use your packages. And yeah, now it's not going to compile. Main V. Now let's get those the list of all the packages that our current user has. It's it'll be. I think it should be in the package.v. Oh, we can rename this, by the way. Let's rename it right away. Git rename. No, git mv to like pkg or package. Oh. Right. Okay, let's keep it for now. And here I'm gonna have, so we have find all mods. I'm gonna do find, is it find or get? Let's see, it's find user mods, and then user ID int, and then we just do select from mod where what? User ID equals user ID, limit 1. No limit 1, what am I doing? Yeah, no limit 1. But I don't want to order by number of downloads, I want to order by ID, since it's the... actually no, it's fine. Number of downloads, okay. Right, so we got this helper mod method, and here in index we're gonna do your packages was app find user mods, user packages, app current user ID. Hey Joe, we're almost done. We successfully simplified it a bit and switched to using V ORM. So that's nice. And we added some new functionality. We added the submit a package form. Okay, this is still wrong, your packages. User ID is 0, that's why. User ID is 0. So in here, create module, we are not setting the user ID, of course. So user ID is app current user ID. For package and your packages. So we're gonna have to create a mod has no field name author. Right, because I see, I understand. Okay. The conflict with between the old types and the new type. So package card. Package author. No. Yeah, we do need an author field definitely. So here it's author dot. There it is, author user. What's the best way to handle this? Can I just do user? Tricky. Does it do a join or something? The package has a copy of the user. Yes, yeah, it does. I wonder how he's initializing it. Like, well, if we grab for author equals, or maybe author. To full, yeah. So he's doing. He fetches the author and then how is he calling this? To full. Yeah, so there it is. He's just running it for every single package. Yeah. Now, ideally, V ORM should support a join and just handle it automatically. That would be very nice. So ideally, we'd have something like yeah, here we'd do a join with the user, and it'll get filled out automatically. That would be nice. Yeah, exactly. The package is, yeah, the package field is not stored in the DB. Okay. Tricky. Let's see how often it's used here. Author. 2 times. So username. Just the username. I think I can just, like, remembering my old days at a big corp, like the general policy was just avoid joins and cache the data. And yeah. What if we just cache this and have it a package username? F key. And then what? Then how do I do a join with V ORM? Does it support them? Really? Let's see. F key. It's not documented. Let's search for it. Yeah, you're right. Wow, this is a very nice feature. It should be documented. It's actually used by... what? It's used by vcreate? Huh. Oh, there's a separate ORM readme. Okay. Do we have a link to it in the main docs? ORM readme. No ORM. We don't. So that should be added. I can add it right now. I can remove the... it's still in beta state. It's much more stable now. For more documentation. Okay, for more examples and the docs, see. Okay, it's there. Good. But this is a real nice feature. I think it should be like, advertised here. It's really nice. Okay, so I just say user, and then F key, user ID. So or rather author, user, F key. This isn't, if this works, I'm gonna be really impressed. Format name, what on earth is that? Format name, okay, yeah, this is the helper function. We can just copy this. Stars. Now the convention is to use number of stars to make it clear it's an int. Okay. Downloads, number of downloads. Oh, right. Then because then it's not okay. Let's just use stars for now. User struct has no field with name, user ID. So I have to use. That's interesting. So here we have user ID and then the product. The product has a user ID field. 1-to-1. Well, we can always use an array. That's not an issue. If it's not, yeah. The user has to use. This is right. I think I can just say ID, right? F key ID. Right. Yes. Thank you. Now we have the ORM expert in the chat. Thank you for confirming. Is flatten. Right. This is useful. So yeah, this is nice to have. Nice. Right, I have to update my Well, actually, this is strange because ORM should handle only table creation, but is it, like, I forgot, is it create tables? What is it? How do I, yep, create tables. Oh, I have to manual, really? I have to do this? I have to do this manually. Okay. It'd be nice if it did it automatically, I think. Because the number of tables can get pretty high. It's not manually. So, what do you mean? No, I know, but I mean, I still have to do SQL create table repo. Okay. So that'll be in main. App would be create table mod. Then I can just what is it, drop table. Okay, this is a good sign, so submit. Right, silly. This is, I think that's it. Modules. Huh. A primary key is required for user. Primary key is required for user, okay. Yeah, this is what I want. Yeah, we discussed this recently. Really nice if I was using this by default so that people don't have to type this. And yeah, we do have to use SQL for both, SQL primary, SQL serial. Oops. Whoops. Nice. This is a nice notice. So it sees an existing table and just skips it. There we go. Uses a dot thing for some reason. Right, I know why, because that's the... Huh, so did this work actually? This seems to be working, the foreign key thing. This is amazing. Yeah, very simple. So simple to use. F key, ID, and yeah, that's it. And we get the all the user information. Package card. Yeah, the author username / package name. Package description. Yeah, So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to do for this stream. It's been what, like 2 hours, about 2 hours, yeah. So we created this new page. We just need some styling. We simplified the structure and we migrated everything to V ORM. So all that's left is, yeah, what's left? Doing the category stuff, pretty simple. Tracking the most downloaded, that's just like one SQL query, same for recently updated. Browse, yeah, so we're gonna do versioning. Yeah, versioning is a big one. Yeah, VPM must support versioning. So yeah, still quite some stuff to do, but I think so I'm gonna next time I'm gonna migrate. Well, I don't need to migrate because to migrate stuff from the current VPM because the structure is the same. Yeah, I'll just have to add some columns to the table, so it'll be pretty easy. And I think next stream I will already be able to replace this thing with the new thing. So GitHub authentication works. We fixed this on the previous stream. So yeah, this is looking pretty nice. I think I'll be done, yeah, with the basic stuff during the next stream, and yeah, we'll have it running on the main domain. We should add a mode to trace all executed. No, there is one. I'm sure there is one. There is some compile time flag to display all the SQL queries. I forgot what it is, but it's there. Next stream, I think tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do daily streams from now on, just 1.5, 2 hours every day, something like that. F key is not just an attribute, but a typed one that checks user. I know, yes. This is I saw this, yeah, because this is nice. Because previously I had a wrong attribute here. I had user ID instead of ID, and I got a, was it a compile time error or a runtime error? Yeah, it's a compile time error, which makes it super nice and safe. Good job. We have only trace SQL. Okay, so that only works for SQLite. Okay, I didn't know that. I thought it was for all ORM. No, that should be simple to do. Like, there's, yeah. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in the next stream when we're actually gonna deploy it and make it the official VPN website. And after that, we're gonna add all the new cool features like versioning and most downloaded and all that stuff. Yeah, it'll be fun. So yeah, I really enjoy like writing web apps in V. I like all the compilation errors, all the compile time checks, and the instant update, which worked during the first half of the stream, but then it somehow broke. But yeah, it's a feature that was merged literally today. So yeah, fun stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.